Hi, I'm Christian Moore, author of The Resilience Breakthrough, 27 Tools for Turning Adversity into Action. I'm Christian Moore. I'm a licensed clinical social worker. I've spent the past 20 years working with youth and families and organizations, helping them thrive. We live in a world today that has tremendous challenges, from mental health challenges to challenges in the workplace, in the community, and I noticed that resiliency plays a major role in helping people thrive and overcome some of the most adverse circumstances. While I was in college, professors told me that resiliency is something that you're either born with. It's something that either you have or you don't have. And I realized it was so important to teach people that they can learn resiliency. It's something that you don't have to be born with. It's an attribute that you can learn. As a social worker, I've always been fascinated by, you have two people, they grew up in the same home, the same neighborhood, the same background. One kid makes it out and thrives, and the other person doesn't thrive. What's the X factor? I wrote this book because I found that if we know exactly where resiliency comes from, we can identify why one person thrives under one situation and another person maybe doesn't thrive under another situation. So by knowing where resiliency comes from, we can identify what enables people to thrive. I wrote the book to show people how to transform pain into fuel. I realized that some of our worst problems can literally become our best friend. But for your worst problems to become your best friend, you have to know how to channel pain into fuel. Please pick up my book, The Resilience Breakthrough, so you can get the 27 tools for turning adversity into action.